A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
All right, let's practice to create the best smile of today. Yeah, as usual, 3 steps of creating a good smile. Please present your best smile. Come on. We have 3 steps of smile. Come on. 1 steps, okay? We begin with 3 steps, okay? 1 smile. Come on, everyone. Try to give your a little smile. Okay, hi Runisa. Okay, Reni. Yeah. Okay, give your smile. Okay, 2 smile. Wider, please. Right. Putri Anissa, 2 smile. Okay. 3 smile, the best smile. Come on. Come on. Okay, good. Next, we are going to do the second time. Okay. Come on, let's do it for the second chance. Okay, 1 smile, Delia. Come on. Okay, good. 2 smile. Right, very good. And next, 3 smile, everyone. The best smile. Sincere smile. Okay, very good. Okay, Alhamdulillah, Reni, already good. Okay, next, the last one, the last one. Come on. 1 smile. Okay, Nurainun, 2 smile. Right. Okay, good. Come on, the last, sincere smile. Senyum ikhlas, tulus. 3 smile, the best. Come on. Oke, Alhamdulillah. Fasya Nadila belum itu, belum. 3 smile, Fasya Nadila. Harus kelihatan giginya. Jangan lama-lama manyunnya ya, Delia. Jangan yang lain dipikirkan kalau Miss sudah masuk. Pandangilah Miss betul-betul, Delia. Okay, good. Now we are going to practice for breathing. 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 Ya. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, come on. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah, slowly, slowly. Okay. Once more. Inhale. Exhale. Very good, everyone. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Let's open our learning today by having pray. As usual, we have number 1, learning pray. And then reciting Surah As-Saff. And the last is reading character pray. Okay. For learning pray, I'm going to invite Baginda Seto Gading Dasopang. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, time is yours.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رضيت بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا وبالمحمد نبيا ورسولا ربي زدني علما وارزقني فهما وعملا صالحا مقبولا والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Amin ya rabbal alamin. We have additional ya, additional word makbulan ya. Makbulan it means that the praying should be coming through and should be accepted by God. Isn't it, Baginda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, now we are going to have reciting Surah As-Saff ayat 10 and 11. We are going to invite Hairunisa Harahap. Hairunisa Harahap. Hairunisa Harahap. Ya, reciting Surah As-Saff ayat 10 and 11. Halo, Hairunisa. Halo, Hairunisa. Halo. Hairunisa, please respond. If you are listening, please respond. Halo, Hairunisa. Hairunisa dengar nggak? Halo? Hairunisa dengar nggak? Coba kamu ngomong, Hairunisa. Coba Hairunisa ngomong. Okay, because Hairunisa cannot be connected and there is no response. So I'm going to welcome for Reni Madani for reciting Surah As-Saff ayat 10 and 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu hal adullukum ala tijaratin tunjikum min azabin alim. Tu'minuna billahi wa rasulihi wa tujahiduna fi sabilillahi bi amwalikum wa anfusikum. Dzalikum khairul lakum in kuntum ta'lamun. Shadaqallahul azim.
Sadaqallahul azim. Thank you, Reni Madani, for reciting Surah As-Saff. Next, we are going to continue with the next agenda is reading the character pray. And I'm going to invite Fasha Nadila for having the character pray. But before we have character pray, please drink a glass of water. Okay, provide a glass of water and we are going to drink it together. Come on. Does everybody take a breakfast? Does everybody take a breakfast? Do you have your breakfast? Sorry? Sorry, Baginda?
Not yet.
Why? It's already 9:30. It's already 9:30. It's so late. You may take your breakfast. What's the matter with you?
Papa nggak biasa sarapan.
Yeah, I also have my simple. This is my simple breakfast. This and this. Yeah, it's also a breakfast. Breakfast is not always with rice, right? Or like a main dessert, for example, like having like rendang, or having like sambal terasi, or having like sambal telur. It's not always be like that kind of carbohydrate, rice or bread, but anything you can eat. In the morning, you have to take a breakfast. It can be fruit or rice or cake, for example. Right, Pak Gita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you cannot let your stomach being empty. It's not good idea, I think. Did you consume something this morning? Did you consume something? Consume. Consume means konsumsi.
Just weather.
Just
Water. Just that.
water. A glass of water only. Yeah, you can give some additional honey, probably honey. You know honey? Do you know honey? Honey, madu. Honey.
Oh,
Yeah.
honey.
Yeah, put the
Oh,
honey, a little honey on your water. Honey and dates. It's good for your brain and your energy. Okay. Now we are going to welcome Fasha Nadila for having character play. Fasha Nadila, time is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah, ikhlaskanlah hati kami untuk belajar karenamu. Jangan hanya untuk mengejar nilai, mendapat ijazah, mencari kerja, dapat uang banyak, berumah tangga, dapat anak dan cucu, lalu mati. Kami sadar hidup yang demikian sangatlah gersang dan menjadikan hidup kurang bermakna. Ya Allah, jadikanlah belajar kami menjadi ibadah, hindarkan kami dari datang lambat, belajar karena terpaksa, belajar karena ingin imbalan. Ya Allah, hindarkanlah diri kami dari perbuatan melawan orang tua, melawan dosen, menceritai orang lain, meremehkan teman, mengejek teman. Ya Allah, gerakan hati kami untuk menolong teman dan orang lain secara ikhlas tanpa mengharap imbalan. Jadikan persahabatan kami persahabatan yang setia karenamu. Ya Allah, jadikan kami orang yang jujur, sabar, tidak iri, tidak dengki, tidak suka marah, tidak suka menyakiti hati orang, percaya diri, tidak mementingkan diri sendiri. Ya Allah, bagi kami yang muslim, ringankan hati kami untuk melaksanakan sholat sesungguhnya. Sholat itu penentu perbuatan baik lainnya. Ya Allah, doronglah kami untuk melaksanakan amalan harian, mingguan, bulanan, tahunan dicontohkan oleh Rasulmu Muhammad SAW. Bagi kami yang non-muslim, doronglah kami yang untuk tetap melaksanakan ibadah sesuai dengan agama dan kepercayaan kami. Ya Allah, tumbuhkan dalam diri kami untuk selalu mau bersedekah terhadap orang lain, tidak boros, mubazir, selalu bersih dan harum, dan berpakaian rapi. Perkenankanlah doa kami, sesungguhnya Engkau Maha mendengar lagi Maha melihat.
Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Thanks a lot, Fasha Nadila, for having the character play. Okay, does anybody want to present a motivation, a learning motivation for today? Motivational quotes. Motivational quotes. Ada? Siapa yang mau kasih motivational quotes? Nur Ainun mungkin, Nur Ainun. Ya. Ayo Nur Ainun, kalimat motivasi. Boleh dari Nur Ainun, boleh dari nenek Nur Ainun, dari emak ayah, dari guru, ataupun dari siapa. Atau boleh dikutip dari sebuah kutipan. Ayo Nur Ainun, kalimat motivasi. Come on, Nur Ainun.
No, I even the motivation, ma'am.
Iya, kamu kan pernah dapat nasihat kan? Halo?
Yeah,
Halo
ma'am.
Nur Ainun? Iya, come on.
Wait.
Yes, Nur Ainun? Come on, please.
Wait, ma'am. Berminyak.
I'm going to check for some of you who still turn off your screen. Yeah, your screen, your video. Ini yang screen-nya ditutupin, ini mau ikut kuliah atau enggak? Mau ikut kuliah atau enggak?
Tadi si Yuda izin ke saya bahwasanya dia ngantar emak sebentar katanya, Mem.
Izinnya ke dosen dong. Bukan ke komting, ke dosen izinnya. Kalau sudah jam kuliah itu, ya jam kuliah. Kalau kuliahnya di ruang kelas, apa kalian juga meninggalkan kelas, ngantar emak dulu ke pasar, begitu? Enggak kan? Jadi jangan mentang-mentang virtual, terus kalian banyak so many reason. Kalau kalian terlambat join ke virtual meeting, izin bisa diketikkan di grup WhatsApp mata kuliah, atau juga kalian di kolom chat di Zoom, izin ma'am, I was late. Nah, kenapa you terlambat join? Jadi bukan you terlambat adem-adem ayem, nggak buka layar pula, ya kan? Tidak komentar pula, begitu. Ini Eliza Ramadhani, siapa ini Eliza Ramadhani? Siapa ini Eliza Ramadhani? Eliza Ramadhani ini siapa? Tidak ada ini?
Nama baru kayaknya, Mem.
Iya, Mem.
Baru-baru.
Kenapa?
Soalnya dari kemarin nggak ada nama Eliza kayaknya.
Iya, jadi ini kenapa masuk ini ada? Saya lihat di portal saya nggak ada yang namanya Eliza Ramadhani. Siapa ini Eliza? Kenapa masuk di kelas saya? Nggak ada kan namanya Eliza Ramadhani?
Nggak ada, Mem.
Halo? Saya keluarkan nih ya, kalau tidak merespon saya keluarkan ini. Eliza Ramadhani. Siapa ini Eliza? Kita keluarkan ya. Oke. Sudah. Kalau Najunda itu Najunda izin. tidak muncul di layar karena sedang kurang sehat. Sudah izin dari awal sebelum perkuliahan. Nah, jadi kita juga kontrol ya siapa yang masuk, bukan mengambil mata kuliah saya, tidak ada di list KRS, jadi nggak bisa ini. Oke, silahkan. Mana tadi si Nur Ainun sudah ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Oke, please.
Love yourself instead of loving the idea of other people loving you.
What does it mean? Maksudnya apa?
Mencintai diri sendiri itu lebih baik daripada mencintai ide, supaya orang lain juga mencintaimu.
Coba diketikkan di kolom chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Bisa, Nur Ainun?
Ya, ma'am.
Okay, love yourself instead of loving the idea of other people loving you. Artinya, cintailah dirimu sebagaimana, mana ini tulisannya? Ya. Yeah, love yourself instead of loving the idea of other people loving you, which means that cintailah dirimu sebagaimana orang juga mencintaimu. Jadi kita harus mulai mencintai diri kita dulu, gitu. Jadi tidak diawali dengan mencintai orang lain berlebih-lebihan, namun kita tidak mencintai diri kita sendiri. Oke. Nah, Miss tadi di awal sudah ngingetin tuh bahwasannya kalau yang terlambat itu izin ya, kasih kabar begitu. Ya. Nah, kalau mau masuk begitu juga izin. Nah, nutup layar kenapa? Izinnya ke dosen begitu. Oke, jadi supaya tertib semuanya. Untuk apa? Karena akhlak di atas ilmu. Akhlak di atas ilmu. Jadi posisi akhlak itu lebih tinggi daripada ilmu. Semakin berilmu harus kualitas akhlak juga semakin baik. Alright. For today's agenda, we are going to practice, right? The section 1 of vocabulary. So every single of you should practice speaking using all vocabulary on section 1. Vocabulary on section 1. Yeah, you have to speak up to me. Like in the previous meeting, you spoke 2 minutes to practice. So today you also need to practice your speaking by using the vocabulary that you have memorized. Jadi hari ini agendanya praktek speaking. Kan sudah menghafal section 1 itu sudah di luar kepala kan? Benar-benar dihafal kan? Iya, jadi menghafal itu vocab gunanya untuk apa? Untuk digunakan sebagai ya sebagai kosakata yang akan digunakan dalam praktek speaking. Jadi bukan hanya dihafal saja, hafal for example hug, memeluk, key, kunci, bukan hanya itu. Tapi setelah dihafal untuk apa? Supaya membantu kalian lancar speaking. Oke, ready everyone? Are you ready? Iya, Miss mau sapa dulu ini. Mau sapa dulu nih, satu persatu. Iya, mukanya kok flat semua ini kenapa? Coba Ferry Sanjaya, kenapa pagi ini? Kamu biasa, yang lain belum nongol, kamu duluan nongol. Hari ini udah mulai kelas, kamu baru nongol. Dari mana? Kenapa?
Sorry, ma'am. I get trouble to network.
Really?
Yes.
Padahal kita kan berdekatan. Satu jalan Garuda.
No.
No? Where do you live?
Kampung Lalang, ma'am.
Kampung Lalang? Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought that you live in Jalan Garuda. No.
Oh, this is Gading.
Oh, I thought that you are neighbor of Baginda Setu Gading. You live together in Jalan Garuda. It means that I'm mistaken. Mistaken itu artinya salah. Ini Miss ketik ya, supaya nanti makin pandai speakingnya ya. Nih, lihat nih. Itu mistaken, artinya salah. I'm mistaken. Oh, sorry, I'm mistaken. Saya salah. Nah, kalau ini, nah, kalau mistake artinya kesalahan. Oh, I'm so sorry with my mistakes. Ya, mistakes. Ya, mistakes. Ya, mistakes. Mistakes artinya kesalahan. Kalau mistaken salah. Oh, Sanita Fitri, oh, I'm sorry, I'm mistaken. Saya salah. Keliru. Oh, Ferry Sanjaya, I do apologize. I'm mistaken. Saya berarti keliru. Please forgive my mistakes. My mistake karena dia kesalahan. Jadi kata benda kesalahanku. My mistake. Oke, got it? Paham ya? Coba Putri Anissa. Come on, try to practice. Mistakes. Come on.
Mistake.
Mistakes.
Mistake.
Ya, mistaken.
Mistaken.
Ya. I'm mistaken.
I'm mistaken.
Ya, kalau I'm mistaken means that saya salah. Tapi kalau mistakes artinya kesalahan. Ya. So sorry with my mistakes. Aduh, minta maaf sekali ya untuk kesalahanku. So sorry with my mistakes. Come on, Delia, practice. Mistakes.
Mistake.
Ya, mistaken.
Mistaken.
Ya. I'm mistaken.
I'm mistaken.
I'm sorry for my mistakes.
I'm sorry for my mistake.
Iya, mistake. Take ya. Jadi bukan take, bukan langsung dia patah take bukan, tapi take ya. Mistakes. Okay? Yeah. Okay, now it's time for you to practice. Yeah, to practice speaking. As my information on the last meeting that on this meeting, it's time for you to talk more than me. You have to talk more than me. So it will not me, the one, to talk and talk again and again to you. But it's your time, okay? I'm going to invite Ferry Sanjaya to practice speaking in this morning. Ferry Sanjaya, time is yours. Yeah, we are going to use time watch, okay? Stopwatch. We are going to use stopwatch. Ya, Baginda Seto, can you be the one to assist me? Assist. Assist. Ini ya, ini nih. Assist. Nih. Assist. Assist sama dengan help. Membantu. Nih ya, dilihat ya. Assistance. Assistance. Ini assistant artinya bantuan. Okay. And then this one, assistant. Assistant means
bantuan.
ya, asisten atau pembantu. Kelihatan di kolom chat, bisa dilihat? Bisa? Iya. Jadi kalau Miss bilang, does anybody want to assist me? Can you assist me? Berarti kamu bisa bantu saya, gitu. Assist. Kata kerja itu ya, assist. Jadi tidak melulu menggunakan help, ya. Assist. Kalau kata bendanya bantuan, assistance. Kalau orangnya yang ngebantu, asisten. Kan pernah dengar kan asisten rumah tangga ada? Pernah dengar? Iya. Asisten dosen pernah dengar?
Pernah.
Iya. Nah, jadi asisten itu kata kerjanya adalah assist. Bahasa Inggris itu ya. Bahasa Inggris assist. Jadi bantu. Jadi kalau Miss bilang, do you want to assist me? Can you assist me? Bisa bantu Miss? Ya. Sure Miss. I really want to assist you and I want to be your assistant. Ya. Assistant. Berarti saya mau Miss, bantuin Miss. I want to be your assistant. Saya mau Miss jadi asistennya Miss, bantuin gitu. Asisten Miss ya berarti orang yang membantu. Assist, assistant, assistant. Oke. Mistake, mistaken. Mistake, mistaken. Sudah nambah ya? Oke. Before I invite you one by one, I'm going to remind for section 3 of your vocabulary, you have to make contextual vocabulary. Vocabnya berbentuk kontekstual. Kontekstual, what does it mean? Kontekstual berarti harus ada temanya. Kontekstual berdasarkan tema keadaan. Jadi nanti untuk vocabulary section 3 ya, itu saya mau tentang food atau eat. Tentang makanan dan makan temanya. Berarti kalau makanan dan makan berarti kata kerjanya yang berhubungan dengan makanan. Makanan di mana biasa dihasilkan? Diolah? Makanan biasa dimasak di mana?
Di dapur.
Iya, dapur. Berarti nanti vocabulary section 3 semua keadaan yang berkaitan dengan proses makan dan persiapan makan itu ada di section 3. Apa saja kata kerjanya mulai dari hal-hal yang di dapur dan di ruang makan. Ya kan? Paham ya? Jadi kata bendanya apa saja, yang di dapur apa saja. Boleh bentuk-bentuk sayuran, bentuk buahan, itu kan juga kata benda. Ya, boleh bahan-bahan masakan, boleh minuman, ya, boleh. Boleh tempat makannya itu juga kata benda. Kalau kata keterangannya berarti kalau masak seperti apa? Nah, masak itu kan matang, belum matang, sudah matang ya kan? Nah, itu kan juga keterangan. Kata sifat, ya sifatnya seperti apa? Crunchy kah? Nah, ya kan? Kan ada itu kan? Crispy, crunchy, nah, itu nanti dicari. Jadi dibagi nanti ya, section 3. Yang belum dapat tugas, sudah semua? Sudah semua ya? Sudah semua? Ini sudah semua dapat vocabulary section 1 and 2? Sudah bertugas semua?
Belum.
Oh, ada yang belum. Nah, yang belum berarti giliran di section 3. Digulir ya, digulir. Oke. Now it's time for you to practice. Tadi sudah Miss panggil ya, Ferry Sanjaya ya, number 1. Nah, coba pegang itu dadanya. Cuman jantungnya, Ferry.
Apa ya?
Cuman dadanya, dak-dik dok. Ya, remember ya. Remember, practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Ala bisa karena biasa. Semakin dilatih, semakin lancar. Lancar kaji karena diulang. Paham ya? Oke. Oke, are you ready, Ferry Sanjaya?
I don't know what I need to talk.
Ya, you have to speak up. Tadi Miss minta kan Baginda Seto. Baginda Seto, can you assist me? Bisa bantu Miss tadi kan? To handle for stopwatch, for having stopwatch. Timekeeper. Ya, timekeeper namanya. Timekeeper. Bisa kontrol waktunya?
I don't know, ma'am. Kalau keluar bisa nggak ya?
Kamu ini pakai handphone?
Wait.
Nggak pakai laptop?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Yang pakai laptop siapa? Ada?
Biasa Ferry.
Ferry, mem. Ferry aja ngomong, mem.
Cuma Ferry.
Ferry aja pilih stopwatch-nya, mem.
Jadi Ferry megang sendiri?
Ya, maybe.
Ya udah, tapi jujur ya.
For?
Ya, at least you have to speak 2 minutes. 2 minutes, ya. Each student you have to speak up 2 minutes. Paling sedikit 2 menit. Oke, come on. Ceklah stopwatch-nya, Ferry. Mana, tunjukin lah.
I'm first, ma'am.
Iya, kan I have call your name many times. Sudah berulang-ulang Miss panggil, pura-pura lupa dia.
Yeah, you know, but I don't know what I need to talk.
Anything you can talk, anything you can talk. It will be much better. It will be much better if you speak up by using vocabulary on section 1. But if you are not prepared well, if you are not preparing it well, you can use any kinds of vocabularies. Do you get my point? Do you get my point? Okay, good. Come on.
Sorry, ma'am. Okay. I'm stuck. So, wait. Sorry, ma'am. For last week, we remember apa namanya? Ma'am, I can do.
Loh, kayak mana? Orang mata kuliah speaking kok nggak bisa ngomong?
Biasanya ngomong nggak tahu mau apa.
Kok nggak tahu ya latihan? Kan sudah menghafal vocab. Nggak boleh lah bilang nggak tahu, nggak bisa. Miss nggak suka kalau kayak gini, nggak mau. Miss nggak suka mahasiswa itu lemah suka mencari-cari alasan. I have no idea, I cannot say anything in English. No reason in my class, you know. I do not accept any excuse. Miss nggak suka mahasiswa yang banyak kali alasan. Namanya jurusan bahasa Inggris, latihan speaking. Ya harus ngomong. Anytime that you want to talk, as long as you use English, it called as speaking process. Do you understand, Ferry? Do you understand, Ferry? Okay, now. Show me the stopwatch. Show me stopwatch. Show me stopwatch. You have to start speaking. 2 minutes. Yeah, make it closer to the camera. I cannot see it. I cannot see it. Come closer to the camera. Okay. Reset, yeah. Reset from the beginning, yeah. Okay. Okay. Now you have to speak up. Speak up anything that you want to talk. 2 minutes in English. 2 minutes in English. Okay? Come on. Ready? Okay, good.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, friend. So, first time I talk about last week. We talked about last week about how we get vocabulary. The first time, section 1 talk about verb, noun, adjective, and adverb. So for adverb, we get 10 example, and noun 10 example too, and adjective 10 example too. For adverb and two. The four verb we get by choose, have, spend, pray, disturb, yes, hunt, remind, change. We'll get better the pronunciation. Talk about this. And two, noun, plan, state, activation, draw, word, concert, card, tone, company, experience. For adjective, easy, action, ancient, beneficial, quiet, single, generous, weak, poor, and reading. For adverb, even, finally, literally, directly, bitter, round, sometimes, later, exactly, likely. So for the last week, we talked about this. Thank you.
Speak more. You just mentioning the vocabulary. Speak more in sentence. Speak more. Speak more, Ferry. Speak more.
Got it, ma'am.
Yeah, it's already complete 2 minutes because you mentioning the vocabulary. I asked you to speak up. Don't just mentioning the vocabulary list. Talk, come on. Say something.
Try. Oh, okay, I know. We dislike disturb. I don't disturb. Sorry. I'm disrupted to you.
Okay, if you cannot speak up by your own, I will be the one to ask some questions to you. Then you have to respond my question to you. Okay, Ferry? Right. Ferry, how many times do you spend? How many times do you spend a day for practice English? How much times? How much time?
I spend about this 2 times.
Time. How much time? 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, 5 hours per day?
Just 2 hours, ma'am.
2 hours. What did you do for 2 hours?
Sorry, ma'am. I don't hear.
What did you do for 2 hours?
Listening about yang pertama kali gimana tuh, ma'am? 100 hafalan, ma'am.
Yang pertama kali apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
The first time.
Yang pertama kali.
Time.
My first time. My first time. Yeah, my first time in memorizing 100 vocabularies. Okay, because... Sorry?
I just want to focus about that.
Yeah, you have to practice Ferry. You have 7 days in a week. You have to practice speaking Ferry. How can you good in speaking, meanwhile you do not want to practice your speaking every day at home? Understand, Ferry? Iya, jadi nggak ada ya sama Miss itu, tidak ada mahasiswa boleh pakai alasan-alasan, nggak ada. Tidak ada mahasiswa tidak pintar. Yang ada mahasiswa belum berusaha maksimal. Yang ada mahasiswa belum latihan di rumah. Tidak ada you tidak bagus speaking, tidak mampu speaking. Tapi you tidak latihan di rumah speaking, betul. Itu udah pasti. So you cannot deny on me. You cannot deny, you cannot try to lie on me. Jadi nggak bisa bohong. Miss ngajar mata kuliah speaking itu nggak cuma sekali. Jadi kalau you nggak praktis di rumah ya pasti gelagapan. Tapi kalau if every day when you are sweeping the floor, for example, you are sweeping the floor, you practice speaking, ya, step by step, you will have many ideas to talk. Setiap hari ngomel pakai bahasa Inggris, nyapu ngomong bahasa Inggris, cerita ngomong bahasa Inggris, ya sambil rebahan ngomong bahasa Inggris, terus ngomong. Namanya juga masih belajar ngomong. Bayi yang belum bisa ngomong juga ngomong terus, ngoceh terus, walaupun yang diomongin nggak jelas kan. Pengucapannya kan anak bayi kan nggak jelas kan. Tapi tengok anak bayi yang belajar ngomong. Ngomong terus kan. Iya. Iya kan? Dengar semuanya? Iya, jadi kalau kalian masih pemula dalam bahasa Inggris, speakingnya belum bagus, terus kalian nggak mau latihan terus ngomong, kapan pinternya? Kalau nggak dimulai. Begitu, oke? Okay? Understand? Okay, now, yeah, it's time for Nur Ainun Dalimunte. Nur Ainun Dalimunte. Nur Ainun Dalimunte.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, it's time for you to practice. Yeah, practice speaking. At least 2 minutes. At least ya. At least itu berarti paling sedikit. At least 2 minutes. Paling sedikit 2 menit. Come on. Come on, Nur Ainun Dalimunte.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. My name is Nur Ainun Dalimunte. You can call me Ainun. I'm 18 years old. I live at Pantapapat. Last week, vocabulary, verb, noun, adjective, and I feel this the beneficial for speaking for good speaking English today. Even I try English with the with
Halo, Nurainun?
ya, ma'am.
Yeah, what you are going to talk? What you want to say? What do you want to say? Even?
Even
Even?
I try to remind no.
Okay.
Spend the time to listen English song.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Every day.
Okay, very good, Nurainun Dalimunte. Yeah, the point is you want to try. Yeah, you spoke 3 minutes, yeah. 3 minutes. Ya, 3 minutes. Even with pause. Pause ya, walaupun pakai jedanya lama. Pause-nya lama. But as long as you want to try. Mau mencoba. Again and again, I said to you that Nurainun having a very good accent ya. Accent mulutnya itu bagus. Jadi kamu harus cepat ngapal vocabulary supaya cepat lancar speakingnya. Harus rajin. Terus latihan ngomong terus. And then I give you one solution. If you cannot find out one appropriate. Come on, everyone. Appropriate. Iya, appropriate. Itu artinya pas. Pas. Ya, appropriate. Tuh. Tuh, ketikan di kolom chat. Appropriate. Kalau nggak menemukan satu vocabulary, kosakata yang pas ketika kita speaking, jangan dipaksa untuk recall. Recall ya, recall. Recall itu mengingat. Nggak usah dipaksa ngingat pas speaking. Jadi caranya gimana, Miss? Caranya, pakai semua kosakata yang kamu tahu dalam bahasa Inggris selama itu mengerti. Misalkan, tadi Nurainun mau bilang, aku sih latihan bahasa Inggris, mencoba, I try speak English. Even. Mungkin dia mau bilang bingung ya, kata bingung atau sulit. Tidak tahu dia kata difficult, misalkan. Difficult. Tidak tahu dia kata hard. Nih, Miss buat di kolom chat, hard, sulit. Tidak tahu dia kata, ini dihafal ya, Nurainun, complicated. Tuh, difficult, hard, complicated itu artinya susah, payah, sulit. Nah, itu sama artinya. Hard. Even speaking is so hard. Even speaking is so hard, but I always try. I always try. Jadi misalkan Nurainun nggak tahu nih, apa bahasa Inggrisnya hard, apa bahasa Inggrisnya difficult, right? Nah, jadi gimana solusinya? Kalau nggak bisa nemukan vocab itu, boleh. Kamu ngomongnya pakai apa? Misalnya gini. Even misalkan me, I do not understand. Even I do not understand. You know, I do not understand how to speak in English. The word so I do not know how to say, but I do not understand. But as long as I want to try, it's so hard. Misalkan gitu. Kamu nggak tahu kata difficult, tapi kamu kata hard tahu. It's so hard. Sama seperti you mau ngomongkan kata saya lapar. Saya lapar. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya lapar? Hungry. Misalkan kamu nggak tahu itu hungry apa bahasa Inggrisnya. Maka bagaimana? Bagaimana cara supaya speaking ini tetap bisa berjalan, tapi kamu nggak tahu kata hungry bahasa Inggrisnya. Kata lapar dalam bahasa Inggris. Tidak bisa menemukan hungry on your memory. Kamu lupa. Jadi bagaimana caranya? Misal, ya itu tahu. Itu berarti udah tahu vocabnya Ferry. Ini kalau kamu tidak tahu. Ferry giliran kayak gini jawab-jawab lancar. Disuruh speaking, nggak tahu, I do not know. Nggak boleh kayak gitu ya Ferry. Nanti meeting depan Miss nggak mau itu. Miss coret terus nanti nama kamu, kurangi skornya. Nggak boleh. Kelas Miss harus optimis. Namanya juga belajar, mencoba. Ya Ferry? Good gitu. Iya, tapi ininya benar dari hati. Jangan gini tapi nggak dilakukan. Oke, berarti nanti section terakhir semua udah speaking, Ferry ngomong nih kayaknya. Cocok Ferry? 10 menit kamu ngomong. Habis ini. Habis semuanya udah ngomong, kamu ngomong lagi. Nah, misalkan ketika kamu, ini ya, ketika kamu mau ngomong kata lapar, tidak tahu lapar bahasa Inggrisnya apa. Atau kelaparan, seperti yang dibilang si Ferry tadi. Apa? Ini ya. Putri Anissa bisa lihat kolom chat?
Amin.
Iya, itu dicek. Yang Miss ketikin itu, dilihat. Itu ada hungry, ada starving. Kalau starving berarti udah lapar berat. Makan siang jam 12, kamu makannya jam 3, berarti udah starving. Udah kelaparan. Nah, gitu. Ya, misalkan hungry. Kamu nggak tahu ini kata hungry. Jadi bagaimana solusinya? Supaya bisa tetap speak up, tapi tanpa menggunakan kata hungry. You bisa ngomong begini, guys, it's already 12 o'clock. My stomach sambil dipegang perutnya. My stomach need foods, you know, foods like bakso, nasi goreng, you know, like sate, like for example, like sambal telur, rice. My stomach need food. I want to eat. I want to eat because my stomach need food. You know, it's already 12. It's time for lunch. Misalkan kamu bilang begitu. Ini udah jam 12. Perutku butuh makanan jam 12. Ini waktunya makan. Padahal kamu mau bilang bahwasanya kamu lapar. Tapi kamu tidak mempunyai kosakata lapar dalam memori kamu. Atau kamu lupa. Jadi jangan dipaksa yang lupa itu. Ya, Nurainun? Ya, Nurainun? Jadi gunakan alternatif. Kata alternatif. Boleh pakai kalimat panjang-panjang. Yang penting kamu terlatih terus ngomong. Understand, everybody?
Ma'am, I understand.
Oh, good. Nah, begitu. Gitu yang Miss mau. Jadi kalau Miss ngomong, respon. Yes, ma'am, I understand. Harus semangat. Oke, okay, come on. Next, I'm going to invite Fasya Nadila. Fasya Nadila, it's time for you to speak up. At least 2 minutes. Fasya Nadila, are you ready to speak up?
Insya Allah ready, Miss.
Ya, good. Harus gitu. Mahasiswa Miss harus bilang, yes, Miss. I can do it. I can speak up. Jangan banyak alasan. Oke? Okay? Come on. Fasha Nadila. Time is yours.
Hello guys, my name is Fasha. My vocabulary verb bite, choose, hug, spend, pray, disturb, gain, remind, king. Example, beat I beat the apple. I pray to Allah. I choose that. I choose that. My vocabulary noun, drawer, card, town, company, experience, start, land. I remind everything.
Okay, what else? Fasha Nadila?
Yang
Hello, Fasha Nadila?
yeah.
Yeah, come on, say something. Do you like memorizing vocabulary? Do you like memorizing vocabulary?
Quite busy, ancient, beneficial, quite, single, generous. My cat is wicked, clever, poor, remind, noisy.
Janganlah baca vocab, Fasha Nadila. Jangan baca vocab, disuruh speak up. Kamu kok malah baca vocab? Speak up. Vocab yang udah dihafal itu boleh digunakan. Kalau kamu nggak bisa gunakan vocab yang udah dihafal itu, bebas. As long as you are speaking up. Yang penting kamu ngomong bahasa Inggris. In 2 minutes. Oh.
Okay. My name is Fasha Nadila. My name is Fasha Nadila. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Medan. My favorite food is sushi. My drink hot chocolate. Hot chocolate, and my hobby is watching movie and listening to music. I have 3 brothers and they really like to know me every day.
Ngomongnya itu chocolate, hot chocolate, Fasha Nadila.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. I really like hot chocolate.
I really like hot chocolate.
Iya, chocolate, bukan coklat ya. Coklat itu Indonesia, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Kalau warna coklat, brown. Kalau makanan, chocolate. Kemudian
like.
apalagi watching. Fasya Nadila,
I'm
watching.
movie. My hobby is watching movie.
Ya, watching
Watching
movies.
movies.
Movies. Watching
Watching movies.
Kemudian listening music. Listening music. Come on.
Listening music.
Listening music.
Listening music.
T-nya nggak kedengeran. Listening.
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 Listen. Listening.
Listening.
Oke, listening music.
Listening music.
Iya, music. Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, music bukan music, bukan. Musik itu bahasa Indonesia musik. Tapi kalau bahasa Inggris music.
Music.
Listening music. Harus tancap gas ya, banyak nonton film ya, Fasya Nadila. Yeah, you have to watch many movies. Come on. Okay, thank you, Fasya Nadila. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
It's time for Putri Anissa. Putri Anissa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Anissa. You can call me Putri.
Lihat kamera, jangan ngapal. Jangan speaking ngapal. Tengok kamera, Jangan baca, jangan ngapal. Come on.
I am 19 years old. I am a student. I reading vocab and example. Bite, choose, hug, pen, pray, disrupt, guess, hand, remind, and thanks.
Disturb, bukan disrupt, tapi disturb.
Disturb.
Good.
Land state application. Land state application drawer. Sort, concrete, car, town, company, experience. Oke, ma'am.
Ya, itu kamu cuma ngapalin kosakata. Miss suruh ngomong, bukan ngulang kosakata.
Yeah.
I ask you to speak up. Oke, thank you, Putri.
Enggak, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to invite Reni Madani. Reni Madani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, try to say something in English.
Hello, everyone. My name is Reni Madani. Yes, ma'am. I live on street Tanjung Merawa. I'm 18 years old. I have one brother. I don't like my brother because he is very noisy. And he likes to disturb me. So I choose to be silent. Sometimes we spend time together. Sometimes
sometimes quarrel. You
sometimes dia baik juga gitu.
Oh, sometimes he is good. Sometimes he is good.
Enough, ma'am.
Enough. 1 minute and a half. 1 minute a half. Masih 1,5 menit. 1 minute a half.
I want to study Korean. I want meet my idol.
Who is your idol? Who is your idol?
Jaehyun from NCT, ma'am.
Jaehyun?
Jaehyun from NCT, ma'am.
Jaehyun.
Jaehyun.
Korean.
Yes, ma'am.
Korean actor. Okay, great. If you want to meet him, you have to able to speak English well. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Reni Madani.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I really want from everybody in this classroom. Have to practice English. Harunisa Harahap.
Hello guys, good morning. My name is Harunisa Rahab. I'm student and Al-Wasliya, and I'm 18 years old. I was born in Medan on the 1st of July 2000.
July. Makanya kalau masih banyak belum ngerti, suruh les itu datang. Ya Nisa, dikasih les gratis nggak datang. Deket rumah lagi. Wajib nyampe kamu hari Minggu ya Nisa.
Minggu ini, ma'am.
Iyalah, tiap hari Minggu nggak ada lagi excuse. Rumahmu dekat. Di Delhi aja yang paling jauh di Pancur Batu sampai ke rumah Miss 2 jam. Datang dia bawa bontot lagi dia. Keringetan, ngos-ngosan, tapi dia bersungguh-sungguh. Nisa deket, kedip mata udah nyampe rumah saya. Ya Nisa?
Ya, ma'am.
Nanti Miss ajari. Saya ajari cemana mengucapkan bulan dalam bahasa Inggris, buat tanggal. Oke, come on, go on. Go on, lanjutkan artinya.
My address is Jalan Perintis Gang Ningga. My hobbies, ma'am.
Hobby.
My hobby is playing basketball. Basketball.
Kalau udah bilangnya enough. Enough. Iya, ini Miss ketik nih di kolom chat.
Enough.
Ah, tuh, udah nampak di kolom chat?
Enough.
Itu bacanya enough. Udah Miss kasih tahu enough. Enough.
Enough.
Enough. F. Ujungnya F. Enough. Enough. F ujungnya. Enough. Ya. Gitu. Ya harus gitu. Belajar tuh bersusah-susah dulu. Sabar. Ya, Nisa.
Ma'am.
Cepat bilang, Putri Anissa.
Yes, ma'am.
Bilang.
Enough.
Enough. F. Ujungnya F.
Enough.
Ainun.
Enough.
Oke. Fasya Nadila.
Enough.
Oke. Delia.
Enough.
Jadi kamu kalau mau bilang udah cukup, I think it's enough, Miss. I think it's enough, Miss. Thank you. Jangan lupa. I think it's enough, Miss. Thank you. Cepat bilang, Nisa.
I think enough. I think enough. Thank you, Miss.
Ya, I think it's enough. Iya. It's enough. Nih. I think it's enough, Miss. Thank you. Thank you. Oke. Ya, oke. Minggu depan nggak boleh lagi ya. Asal disuruh ngomong perkenalan diri aja. Udah mau mid semester masih perkenalan diri aja. Mau seberapa kenal sih kita? Sampai Miss hafal kali rumahmu nomor berapa incinya. Ya. Ya, Putri Anissa, Nurainun, Fasya Nadila. Janganlah diawali. Ya, let me introduce myself. Si itu aja nggak move on. Bilanglah. Today I have a lecturer. Tahu kan lecturer apa artinya?
Perkenalan namanya.
Perkenalan. Nih, tengok. Udah nampak? Lecturer. Artinya dosen. Janganlah nggak tahu. Yang bawah lecture. Lecture itu sama dengan study. Maknanya kuliah. Iya. Lecture. Lecturer. Lecture. Okay. Let's moving on to Baginda Seto. Ingat ya Ferry, masih ada utangmu 1. Semua udah siap ngomong, kamu wajib ngomong nih. Siapkan itu. Miss tunggu. Come on, Baginda Seto, time is yours.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Baginda Seto Gading Dasopang. You can call me Gading. I live in Garudua Street, Gang Reflection number 72G. I'm 19 years old. My hobby is traveling and camping. About that, on the next week, I will camp for 3 days. Last week, I'm watching and listening videos on YouTube to choose vocabulary verb because I get first time to make a vocabulary verb section 1. What again? Now I'm hungry because I'm not breakfast today.
Bukan I'm not. Iya. Breakfast itu kan
breakfast.
because I don't take my breakfast today. I don't
take my breakfast today. In this morning, I just drink a glass water. I'm headache, but it's no problem. I will get it after this meeting. And afternoon, I will meet in my school with OSIS Menteri Medan because I leader of OSIS Menteri Medan 19 and 20. What again?
I will take my meal ya, my meal, jangan my eat. Eat itu kata kerja. Ya Reni kalau mau ke kamar mandi boleh, tapi besok diganti kalimatnya ya, jangan toilet aja. Udah Miss ajari kan. Kalau mau ke kamar mandi ngomongnya kayak mana? Oh ini karena Reni nggak ikut les kemarin. Pas les sudah Miss ajari kan. Udah pergilah Reni. Nanti kan kamu bisa dengar sambil dari kamar mandi. Peri, apa aja kalau mau ke kamar mandi? Udah Miss ajarin ini. Jangan pura-pura flat kamu. Jangan-jangan kamu bilang lapar juga. Ayo Ferry, iya. Tunjuk lagi. Emangnya ada Ferry 2 di sini? Cuma kamu seorang lagi.
May I go laboratory, ma'am? Sorry, may I go to laboratory?
May I go to?
Laboratory.
Terus apa lagi?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I go to toilet?
Toilet lagi.
Bathroom.
Restroom.
Delia, apa aja Delia? Si Ferry lupa ini. Ayo, mau ke kamar mandi gimana ngomongnya? Bahasa Inggrisnya udah bisa ajari berapa expression ini? Gimana Delia ngomongnya? How to say in English? How to say it in English? Kalau kamu mau ke kamar mandi, mau permisi, gimana ngomongnya dalam bahasa Inggris?
Excuse me, ma'am. I go to room. Room apa?
Ada. Payahlah kalau gini ceritanya. Asal udah diajari lupa. Amnesia lagi. Makanya jangan banyak kali makan penyedap mecin. Jadi lupa. Makan tuh yang sehat. Putri Anissa.
Ma'am.
Gimana ngomongnya kalau mau kamar mandi?
Excuse me, ma'am. I go to the bedroom.
Bedroom lagi, kamar mandi aja. Dahwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Gak lupa kan?
Ma'am. May I go to the comfort room?
Yep.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Udah itu aja.
Itu aja?
Enough, ma'am. I think it's enough.
Najunda.
May I go to the bathroom?
Bedroom.
Ya,
kamar tidur.
Ya. Iya, pakai TH, ma'am.
Najunda? Masih adanya kekuatanmu?
Ma'am, I will try.
Yeah, come on.
Yes, ma'am. Ada, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I have to use the restroom.
Next. Satu aja. Only one?
Ada lagi ya. Yes, ma'am. Just only.
Just only. Okay. Sanita Fitri. Halo, Sanita Fitri. Kamu kan hadir juga kemarin tuh waktu les di kampus. Ya, ini dia wajahnya.
Yang saya tahu cuman, excuse me, miss, I want to go to toilet.
Masa toilet aja?
Ya, gak ngerti.
Ya, Gading pun lupa juga ya?
Ma'am, oh ma'am.
Ya, ya, oh.
Kalau Junda baru ingat. Kayak gini misalnya, excuse me, ma'am. Can I go to the lavatory?
Lavatory itu jarang orang gunakan itu. Kurang pas itu. Itu kan dari si Peri Sanjaya itu tadi udah disebutin. Jarang itu. Nggak usah digunakan itu. Kalimat lavatory.
Oke, ma'am.
Yuda. Kotaknya itu suruh tinggal yang baju biru depan itu. Kotaknya itu yang ditinggal. Halo? Jadi jangan pakai lavatory ya.
Oke, ma'am.
Sorry. Restroom, comfort room. Oke, restroom, comfort room, bisa juga. Excuse me, sir. I want to wash my hand. I want to wash my hand. I want to wash my hand. Jadi I want to wash my hand itu maknanya mau ke toilet. Restroom, comfort room, ya. Restroom, comfort room. I want to wash my hand. Excuse me, sir. I want to wash my hand. Oke. Oke, lanjut. Sanita Fitri mumpung udah muncul, berarti Sanita Fitri lah kita minta untuk ngomong. Jangan introduction lagi ya, Sanita Fitri. Hello, my name is Sanita Fitri. I'm 21 years old. I'm beautiful. Do you know that I'm beautiful? I live at Tanjung Morawa, nearby Irian Mini Market. You can come to my house. Itu aja, rumah aja. Ayo, come on.
Apa ya?
Ya, you kan bisa cerita. I am a student in English department. Saya mahasiswa. Yes?
My aunt call me.
Hello everyone. Gak boleh introduce ya, Miss?
Ya jangan itu terus lah. Masa itu aja. Udah vocab kamu I will introduce myself. My name is, this is my vocabulary. Satu orang ngomong itu, yang lain itu aja nggak ganti-ganti. Gantilah.
Jadi bingung mau apa ini.
Ya bingung apa tadi bahasa Inggrisnya? Bingung apa tadi? Udah Miss kasih tahu?
Confused.
Apa?
Confused.
Ya, confused.
Confused.
I'm confused, Miss. Nih. Tuh di kolom chat. Confused.
Confused. Ya.
I'm
nggak
confused.
pakai them.
Enggak. Bilanglah yang tadi I confused.
I confused.
Enggak, Pak. Ada minuman. Thank you. Wah. Udah Sanita cepet loh. Udah kelaparan si Baginda Seto ini. Lama kali kamu. Taruh di kursi situ.
I prayed in the morning. I work at
Then
when I choose Miss Variety is apa sih? And spend half my day to work.
Ini kue. That's all? Enough?
Enough.
Nah, nanti belajar ngomel di rumah pakai bahasa Inggris ya, Sanita.
Oke, Miss. Ya, Miss.
Cari itu terjemahannya. Oke, Dahwa. Jangan introduction lagi, Dahwa. My name is.
Hi everyone, my name is.
Kan baru Miss bilang. Baru dibilang nggak boleh introduction, langsung dibilangnya hello everyone, my name is. Nggak usah.
Hi guys. Hi everyone. At 5 p.m. I pray at the dawn at the dawn of the day. Dawnnya DAWN. And then because I feel dizzy today, I choose to sleep again. And then I still dizzy and I'm not good today. And then after this class, I want to sleep again and then drink my pill of obat.
Medicine.
Oh yeah, medicine. And drink medicine. But before I sleep, I want to pray zuhur. And then after that, I will spend my day to my cousin, my sister and brothers. They're still very young. My house, there's so many birds in front of my house, and then there is bird, and then the sound of the bird is so noisy, and sometimes disturb me to this class because the sound is masuk enter this Zoom maybe, and then maybe after watch anime. Yeah. And then I watch anime. Yeah, and then I will K-pop. I will play song K-pop and then listening to Western song too. There's so many song I will play. And then udah itu aja. It's enough.
Okay, thank you, Dahwa Zahira. Don't forget, keep practicing your English at home. Yeah, and probably you may try to speak up with your bird. Hi, bird. Good morning. I want to practice my English to you. Just listen to my speaking. Yeah, like me.
And at the night, I still remind the other friends to memorizing vocabulary.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks a lot, Dahwa Zahira, for your hard working and your loyalty. Yeah, thanks a lot. Okay, Najunda, are you going to practice or not? If
Yes,
you want to
ma'am.
rest, you may rest. Najunda? Yeah, if you think that you
I
are
will
not...
try, ma'am.
Okay. Please.
Hello, everyone. Nice to have a discussion with all
Discussion.
Discussion. All of today. Your face today is very happy. Too bad I can turn off the camera for a perfect discussion with you guys because I'm sick. But don't worry, I'm trying to stay here to discuss with you. Yeah. I hope you guys are healed today. Stay healthy, okay? I hope you
Stay
always
healthy. Stay healthy.
Stay healthy.
Health kesehatan. Healthy sehat. Tetap sehat ya gitu. Stay healthy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I hope you are always healthy. Thank you for don't forget to eat and drink. Don't forget to pray and don't forget to be grateful.
Okay.
I decide to keep on application Zoom because I don't want to skip today's science. I hope I can focus today even talk I'm sick.
Even though. Good.
Even though I'm sick. Thank you for ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for understanding my situation and allowing me to turn off the camera. I hope you are always healthy.
Amin.
Thank you for always caring for us and giving good knowledge. Knowledge. Yeah.
Okay, thank you Najunda Aulia. Get well soon ya. Alhamdulillah. May Allah give you much blessing ya. Semoga diberkahi ya. Tetap semangat kuliah meskipun sedang kurang sehat. Oke, good job. Pronunciation-nya udah mantap, action-nya juga sudah bagus ya. Sudah mau ngimbangin si Nur Ainun action-nya. Kalau Nur Ainun itu action bawaan lahir ya. Nah, cengkok-cengkoknya dia udah pas.
Thank you, ma'am.
Najunda sudah improve, speakingnya udah bagus, videonya juga bagus. Everyone, ketika nanti buat video jangan lupa ekspresif ya wajahnya, jangan ngeflat. Nah, jangan ngeflat kamu kayak robot aja. Jadi kalau ngomong juga pakai ekspresi ya.
Expression.
Jangan kamu kayaknya mau ngamuk kali gitu sama Miss. Pas Miss tonton videonya, vocabulary noun. My name is vocabulary noun. Table. Pencil. Kamu kayak ngamuk banget gitu sama Miss, macam nggak suka kali gitu. Jadi pakai ekspresi ya. Seneng lah gitu, tambah ngapal, tambah vocab, tambah speakingnya. Ya, jangan nggak berekspresi, jangan datar kali. Oke. Delia tadi sudah? Belum. Delia praktis?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce I Rizky Deliana.
Gak boleh. Gak boleh introduction, itu namanya introduction. Perkenalan diri udah gak boleh lagi. Nanti itu aja.
I am majoring in accounting, but I left accounting, but I like listening to English songs. But I don't learn a lot of vocabulary. Sometimes when people take answered let vocabulary, the missing, miss, the many.
Oke, good job. Yang penting mau mencoba, walaupun kesulitan. Ya, Delia? Bisa bangun pagi-pagi ya. Nah, nanti siapi bontot. Les lagi di rumah, Miss. Oke? Iya,
Yes,
pasti bisa. Insya Allah. Bismillah. Oke, terakhir nih. Ferry Sanjaya. Ferry.
Hello guys.
Halo.
First of all, for Rachel, you get better for any time, and my friends. So I will tell about from the vocabulary we have learned. I will give one example for every vocabulary I have learned. So this is my vocabulary verb. This bit, my cat bit my cat bit my. Oh no, my cat bit me. Can you correct this, man?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2, hug. Can you hug me, Ariel? Can you hug me? I'm very cold. I want hug. I want what your heart.
Okay. Good.
Okay. This
Yeah.
time I will spend my time for games, maybe, or anytime. So about change, maybe I will change my activity for the playing to study. Can you correct, ma'am?
Oke, thank you, Ferry Sanjaya. Ya, tugasnya berikutnya adalah yang section 1 itu, I'm going to remind you again. Ya, yang section 1 dibuat satu video. Setiap selesai kita satu section, kalian harus practice speaking ya. Practice dalam membuat sebuah cerita. You harus bercerita menggunakan seluruh vocabulary yang ada di setiap section. Jadi kalau satu section selesai, semua harus digunakan dalam satu cerita. Buat videonya sendiri. Terserah mau menceritakan apa saja. Yang penting 40 vocabulary dalam satu section harus digunakan dalam satu video. Boleh ngarang-ngarang dulu ya. Practice. Oke? Sama jangan lupa gunakan expression and with subtitle. Pakai subtitle ya, kalian ngomongnya apa itu dibuat, di setting. Macam si Najunda, si Baginda Seto, itu kan udah bagus. Ada subtitlenya ya, diedit ya. Ekspresif, wajahnya tersenyum. Oke? Nah, nanti untuk yang mau datang, boleh dikoordinasikan, mau lesnya hari Sabtu atau Minggu, terserah, nggak dipaksa. Yang mau les saja. Ya,
Sabtu, Mem, Sabtu.
Sabtu aja, Mem.
Di mana, Mem?
Di rumah.
Di mana, Mem?
Di rumah saya.
Ya, jauh.
Kalau kejauhan nggak usah datang. Yang mau aja. Bawa bontot. Jangan lupa. Bak bontot. Jadi nanti kalau boleh bak bontot, boleh bak jajan. Untuk apa gunanya? Ketika nanti udah ngisep perutnya, boleh makan jajan. Boleh makan nasi dulu kalau udah sampai siang. Khawatirnya nanti kalau nggak bak bontot, terus kamu pakai alasan lagi lemot-lemot belajarnya. Ya kan? Kalau ada yang punya kalender nggak dipakai, boleh ya bawa kalender besarnya untuk papan tulis. Karena kita nggak ada papan tulis. Kalau ada yang punya papan tulis, boleh whiteboard gitu. Kemarin kan udah dibeli spidolnya, marker. Bahasa Inggrisnya marker. Sama duster, penghapusnya udah dibeli sama Putri Anissa. Tapi kita nggak ada papan tulis, jadi boleh pakai kalender, nanti kita kan belakangnya bisa dipakai. Kalau nggak kalender boleh pakai whiteboard bagi yang mau meminjamkan ya. Datang, udah sarapan, Mbak Bontot. Yang kejauhan, mager, bangun pagi, nggak usah datang, nggak dipaksa, nggak diwajibkan. Yang penting you udah pintar. Ya, apalagi yang sudah mahir, nggak usah. Yang masih low aja. Masih low itu
Saya
lebih
masih
misfokus.
basic, Ma'am.
Basic. Kamu kan udah bisa independent learning, Dahwa. Ya, boleh. Kalau mau besok juga boleh ya. Jam-jam 10 lah, paling lama. Kalau jauh, ya. Wah, ada tamu. Si Dahwa. Mau ikut kuliah ya, adik kecilnya. Udah besar anaknya ya, Bu Dahwa. Ya, udah paham ya. Jadi besok sudah pertemuan ke-7 pekan depan. Pertemuan ke-8 kita ujian mid semester. Latihan terus di rumah, practice speaking a lot ya. Please. Nonton film terus-terus, latihan terus. Imitating, jangan lupa. Imitating. Meniru videonya. Oke? Any question?
Question.
No question. Itu yang di kolom chat itu yang udah Miss ketikan. Digunakan vocabnya, cara ngomongnya. Udah nampak tadi kan? Oke, ya. Oke. If there is no question, see you by next meeting. Nasrun minallah wa fatul qorib wa basyiris sabirin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya. Bye-bye everyone.
Salam, see you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.